Hey, what's up guys? This is Mario from Trader of the Day. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money on big sell-offs on the market and other stocks. So I'm going to explain to you guys, what to look for, what to do, and what type of intraday setup to look for when there's a huge sell-off the day before in the market. So just to kind of explain this, you guys get a better picture of what I'm trying to say. If you guys remember, yesterday the stock market went down by over 1%. The Nasdaq was down over 2%. So there was huge sell-offs, in stocks like Google and the FANGs, et cetera, et cetera. But there's opportunities on the sell-offs. Like for example, FCX had a humongous sell-off. One thing I want to mention to you guys is when stocks sell off more than 10% intraday, they get into what's called SSR mode, which is short selling restriction, meaning that short sellers are not able to short on the bid, they have to short on the ask, which when that happens, it kind of helps stabilize the market. So, short sellers just don't pile in and go nuts, and then we have nasty crashes in the market. So it does kind of help control fears in the market, or else we will have a nasty sell-off, like a 20-30% sell-off in a day, which, SSR, short selling restriction does help with that. So because of that, that creates an edge, so because when a stock gets into short seller restriction, there's an edge, dip buyers have an edge since shorts are not able to short a bid, they have to keep on this ask. Dip buyers have an opportunity to kind of dip buy the ask and keep dip buying it, and at the same time, short sellers that want to cover, they have to cover at the ask. They're not able to cover at the bid because most likely, because if they short sell on the ask and they try to cover in the bid, especially if there's a momentum, they might take them longer to kind of get filled. So it creates kind of like a short squeeze type of opportunity for longs. So that's what I want to talk about today. So, for example, FCX had a nasty sell-off yesterday. Again, SSR mode. Had little bounces here, if you guys could see. So there were some little bounces here, that you could have taken advantage, like right here, especially right here. There's consolidation and broke out of this downward trend, and there were some bounces towards previous close. And over here in JPK, actually this one looks nicer. Kind of created like a little bullish hammer, which what you want to do, what you're looking for. Now intraday, the way that looks, you're looking for some sort of weak open, consolidation intraday, and kind of break of that lower lows and create higher lows and break out of this downward trend, and you have some momentum. So I did ended up trading this setup. I didn't trade FCX. I actually like JPK a lot better. It just looked a lot cleaner. Now I was looking for a red or green move. So once the price of the stock breaks previous close, which in this case was 15, that's the reason why I put this line. It goes red or green, meaning that it was red the prior day, and then now it goes green. So you're green for the day. So for example, right now this stock is down negative 1.2%, and if it would have gone above 15, it would have been up like 0.010 or 1%, etc. if it continued to trend. So again, these because of its SSR mode, these create opportunities intraday. So you have an edge, and when it comes down to trading, it's all about having an edge. So things like SSR, sell-offs, these huge sell-offs the prior day, they create opportunities in the market to make money. So actually, just so you guys know, look at this sell-off right here. You had a nice little bounce right here in this day. Look at this sell-off right here, another nice little bounce right here. So I mean, you can even see it in a chart. Look at this sell-off right here. You had a bounce right here. So again, they create day trade opportunities. So keep that in mind, guys. Hope you guys learned something from this video. You guys will hear from me soon. Have a good one, guys.